Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanted to bring you with me on my workout routine. As we are still in quarantine, more than ever what has changed in my daily habits is how often I work out. I also want to share with you my #1 tip to start exercising. It's really difficult to start, especially when you watch on YouTube or on Instagram those fitness specialists. We see their perfect body, we see their perfect movements, and like all social media, we feel like entitled in our subconscious to be like them, to practice sports like them. It puts a little bit of pressure on your shoulder to see all the amount of work and all the distance that you need to fulfill to reach the level of those fitness experts, and you end up doing nothing. So you still can't keep your high goals, like you want to build your abs to go to the beach for summer, you want maybe to lose weight, or you simply want to be healthier. But I would personally recommend, just like for any big goal, any big dream, any project, to set smaller goals, smart goals, which are realistic, simple and attainable. I think that it relieves a lot of pressure and it helps you take action. By achieving that smaller goal, it will empower you. That new positive energy, it will lead you to start your higher next goal. So let's set small goals. The first one is simply to start working out, right? It's your immediate goal. The second one would be to do mindful workout. So to practice mindfulness as you exercise. What does it mean? I think that in today's world, we feel so much entitled to performance. And once again, it's encouraged by all social medias, by performance at work. And I think that being entitled to that performance just prevents you once again from taking action, which is actually the most important at that time. It's just to begin, it's just to act. And so what is mindfulness? Mindfulness is really different from performance. When with performance, you challenge your body, you push your physical boundaries to do better and better. Mindfulness is only about tuning in with your body. It's all about listening to how it speaks to you through sensations, through feelings. Instead of pushing your physical boundaries, this is about just sounding and at the very best knowing your physical boundaries. It's really about asking, communicating with your body, developing that mind-body relationship, develop that body-mind connection. Because in nowadays world, we have so much separated the different disciplines. Like you have a specific doctor for your mental illnesses who is a psychologist, and you have another doctor for your body pains. Maybe there is something great that can happen when you try to heal one or another, but I believe that there is so much more that can happen when you comprehend, when you live and feel that body-mind connection, when you build and train that relationship between your mind and body. There is so much more that can happen. And to me, sport is just the perfect practice to make up your mind with your body. This was a long talk. With no further ado, I'm bringing you to my workout exercises. Then just keep in mind, when I say mindfulness, it's very important that you listen to yourself, and that if you feel like some of those exercises are difficult for your body, one, listen to yourself, don't do them, okay? I'm just here to share with you what I do, and also don't hesitate to consult a specialist. I don't want you to get injuries, okay? With no further ado, let's get into it. So first we start with the bodyweight squat. We are going to achieve like 20 of them, and really take your time. Once again, we are not entitled to performance. The goal is really to listen to your body. What does it tell you? Does it feel tired? Does it feel fine? If so, maybe you can do 30 bodyweight squats instead of 20. Who knows? You know. And this is what I mean about mindfulness. You feel like every muscle, every joint that is involved in that movement. Your thighs, your calves. The second exercise is push-ups. You need to do 10 of them. Let's go. And don't forget to breathe all along. And don't forget to pause also between the movements. It's not about quantity and quickness. This is all about achieving perfect movements, even if you need to take time. Then the walking lunges. Very simple after the push-ups. 1, 2, and you do 20 of them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you keep a 90-degree angle with the floor for your 2 legs. 30, 40, 15. Good. Then keep doing the great job with the dumbbell rows. You put one knee on the chair, okay? One hand just here at the boundary of a chair, and then you take your dumbbell and you go for 10 movements, okay? So 1, 2, 15-second planks. This is so good to work on your abs. You really feel them with this exercise. And eventually the jumping jacks. 30 of them. 30. Okay, so you see this first circuit was pretty easy, at least for me. So now you can pause 1, 3, 5 minutes. It's really up to you. You can drink water meanwhile, and also don't settle down. Don't spend those 3-5 minutes sitting down. You really need to stay active so you can walk. Water in my cool cup. I got it from Disney. So let's go for a second round. Okay, so this was my second circuit. I think that when you start, you're gonna take like 30 to 40 minutes to achieve that exercise. And when you are used to it, you are going to take less than 30 minutes. I still have one circuit to do. I think that by now you know, I mean, you just know my workout routine, right? It's pretty simple. 6 movements, 6 exercises, very beginner friendly, as soon as you take your time. If you like this video, don't forget to thumb it up. And if you want to see other videos related to the topic of wellness, subscribe to my channel, maybe. I see you in my next video. Bye. And don't forget, stay home, but stay fit.